Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mashed potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. 6 cups of leftover mashed potatoes, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and 1 cup of heavy cream. You'll also need 1 medium onion and 2 celery stalks, finely chopped. This comforting soup is perfect for using up those extra mashed potatoes and creating a hearty meal. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and celery, sautéing them until they are tender and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Pour in the 4 cups of broth and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Finally, stir in your 6 cups of mashed potatoes, ensuring they are fully incorporated into the liquid. Now, it's time to make your soup wonderfully creamy. Slowly pour in the 1 cup of heavy cream, stirring continuously until everything is smoothly blended. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings to your preference. Gently heat the soup through, but be careful not to let it come to a rolling boil. Your delicious mashed potato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into warm bowls and consider adding some delightful garnishes. Freshly chopped chives, crispy bacon bits, or a swirl of extra cream can elevate the flavor and presentation. Serve it immediately to savor its comforting warmth and creamy texture. This simple recipe is perfect for a cozy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.